Hello, little photographer. In this content, we explain how to use PhotoSensia Kids and what the buttons you see in the app mean. Let's get started.
When you enter the app, you will be greeted by Sarap and Samit. Then we will ask you to create a user profile. Your first goal will be to reach the home page, but for that you will need to complete the first two main tasks. We will show you how in a moment. First, let's look at what the buttons on the home page mean.
Instagram button. When you press this button, you can access PhotoSensia Kids' Instagram profile and follow this account to be informed about daily posts.
YouTube button. When you press the button underneath, you can browse the tutorial videos we have create for you on our YouTube channel.
Shop button. Each main task has a point value of 50. If you do not have reached this point, you need to buy a cam coin worth at least 50 points from our shop, which you can access from this button in order to complete all main tasks except the first two main tasks. If you don't want to buy points, you can also watch the ad below the main task. Please remember to ask your parents' permission before purchasing cam coins from our shop.
Main Tasks button. This button contains your main tasks that earn you the highest points. In order to complete your main tasks correctly, you can watch tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. You can access these videos by clicking on the YouTube cover under each of the main tasks, or by clicking on the general YouTube button.
Homepage button. The button next to it will take you to your current homepage.
Achievements page. You can track your achievements on the button with the trophy symbol.
Settings button. You can change your settings from this button.
Knowledge Bank button. You can visit the Knowledge Bank by pressing the button with the letter I. The Knowledge Bank is updated every day and new information is added. Please note that the Knowledge Bank earns you points.
Daily Tasks button. The button below it contains your daily tasks. These tasks will change every day. Please note that your daily tasks earn you points. This allows you to reach at least 50 points and continue with your main tasks without making purchases or watching ads.
Mini Test button. You can take your daily mini quiz on the button below. We update this page for you every day and add new photos. Please note that the mini quiz also earns you points.
Side Tasks button. You have side tasks on the button below. We have divided them into easy, medium, and hard. You will get different points with the photo you take according to the symbol you choose.
Let's download PhotoSensia Kids for free from the App Store and show you how to get all the way to the home page. want to be the little photographer of the month? PhotoSensia Kids artificial intelligence chooses the little photographer of the month on Instagram every month. However, in order to become the little photographer of the month, you need to take photos that meet the specifications of your main, daily, or side tasks, and share them with your parents on Instagram.
If you do not have an Instagram account, you can post from your parents' account with their permission. You can access your saved photo from your phone's photo album.
PhotoSensia Kids artificial intelligence will take the following criteria into consideration when selecting the little photographer of the month.
1. The image must be taken in accordance with the specifications requested in the tasks included in the PhotoSensia Kids app.
2. Any of the techniques shown in the main tasks should be used in the photo.
3. The photo must be taken using the PhotoSensia Kids app, and the PhotoSensia Kids icon must appear in the bottom right corner of the photo.
4. The posting account must be a real identity. Posts made from fake and hidden accounts will not be taken into consideration.
And 5. When sharing on Instagram, the PhotoSensia Kids account must be added to the description section with the PhotoSensia Kids tag and the mention icon. Otherwise, it will not be possible to follow up.
Welcome! We wish you every success.